Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about Cash App. And more specifically, I'm going to try to answer a question I've been getting a lot recently on one of my other videos. And that is, how did I make $3,822 with one Cash App video? So I'm going to jump on over to my computer. I'm going to show you how I was able to make that much money on just one single video. You could do the same thing. It's not really that hard, but it does take a little bit of work up front. And if you do a little bit of work, these videos can pay you from years to come. In fact, the video we're going to look at today has been working for me for about 5 years now. So stick around. I'm going to show you step by step how you can make tutorial videos that are going to pay you just the same as my Cash App videos have. So let me jump on over to my computer now. Okay, guys, so here I am on my YouTube channel. So this is one of my other channels. So this channel basically just does tutorials. So in this particular video, you can see over the last 28 days, this video has only made $1.28. However, this video has been working for me. Let's go ahead and switch last 28 days and change that to since uploaded. Okay, so you can see that this channel right here had this video uploaded in February of 2018. So this channel has actually been working for more than 5 years. However, the bulk of the views came towards the beginning of the video, but still this video still performs pretty well because I get referrals from Cash App for this particular video. The lifetime value of this particular video is $3,822. So let me switch over to the earnings function. So you can see at some point this particular video was making about between $5 and $10 per day. So this video has not been making that much recently. However, from time to time, I do get Cash App referrals for this particular video. So if you're wondering what this video was about, so basically Cash App is a popular app to send and receive money with family and friends. So this particular video, I was describing on how you can find your referral code inside of Cash App, which is a very popular topic because from time to time, Cash App does run promotions that if someone signs up using your Cash App, that person gets a bonus and you do as well. And that ranges between $5 and $15. So I have gotten thousands of dollars of referrals from Cash App just on this one video. But just on the YouTube income alone, I've made $3,822 and that's still going. And as you can see from time to time, this video gets a few spikes here and there, depending on what kind of promotions Cash App is running. And this is a simple tutorial. This is only one of a series of Cash App videos that I've done. So this one video has paid $3,800. However, I have other videos that have gotten hundreds of thousands of views. And this video, along with my other ones, are just basically tutorials describing on how you can use Cash App. And you can actually do this for basically any type of popular app or software, as long as you're helping people and describing on how they can use that particular application. So like a lot of people say online is the more people that you help, whether that's with your blog or with your Twitter or with your YouTube channel or whatever it is that you use, the more people you help, the more money you're going to make. So this one, you can see that it helped 695,000 people who are looking for information on how to get their Cash App referral code. And because of that, I made over $3,000 on this one particular video. So when you're making these YouTube tutorials, you can easily just record your phone or you can do a screen record and just make sure that you make the video quick and informational. So that way, whoever's watching the video will be able to get the information they're looking for quickly without having to watch a 20 or 30-minute video. Now, if you're wondering about the quality of the video, I would say if you're doing a tutorial, you are probably going to be more concerned with the information that you're providing. That's going to be more important than if you are having a high quality camera. Also, another thing I want to note is that when you make a video, you can see right here that it didn't make any money and then all of a sudden it just started making a lot of money. And let's see here, this video was uploaded in February of 2018. And then in, looks like August, it started really making money. So that was about 6 months later. So it's not get rich overnight, but the value of the video is still going, and I didn't get paid $3,800 in 1 month. So this is the life of the video. That's why if you are familiar with my channel, I like to do things a little different. I like to have a lot of different online properties that pay me a little bit each day. And then collectively with all of my properties, it does add up to quite a bit of money. So to recap, what you want to do if you want to make money with Cash App is you need to provide value. So you need to teach someone or teach somebody something that they're looking for. So in this case, I was teaching them how to find the referral code inside of Cash App. Pretty easy, but a lot of people are confused about that particular app. And 2, you want to make the video really quick and concise, exactly describing the point that these people are looking for. And 3, you want to give it enough time to perform. So for example, like again, this was uploaded in February and it didn't really start performing until August. So it took about 6 months for that to start working. So there you have it, guys. So if you're wondering how I made $3,822 with Cash App, that is an example of one of my videos, how I'm able to make money with Cash App using YouTube video tutorials. If you need more information about that, or you're looking to learn a little bit more, check my video description. I'll try to leave more information there. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.